Maybe.
Fresh lamb for the slaughter?
Let's see if I can find one of those for you.
Now I'm looking at one.
Oh. No, go this way. Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at Ghoul Brothers Haunted House up here in Akron, Ohio. They're in this quaint little strip mall location here, but I'm here to tell you, you are not gonna be ready for what's inside of this place. The actors are crawling out of the woodwork in here. The immersion is top of the line. We're gonna take you inside with us, so without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Prescriptions for you this evening. For you, my dear. A full frontal lobotomy.
Oh.
Yes. I had one last week. The afterlife has never been better.
I like how you said frontal.
Yeah.
Like there's options.
Sure. Would you like the southern lobotomy option this evening?
No.
For you, darling. The doctor said you have a beautiful neck. He'd like to give you gills and put you in the fish study.
Gills? I kind of feel like a fish out of water sometimes. That works, yeah.
Right. Any final words?
Make it fast.
Yeah.
We like pain-free.
Right?
Thank you. That's a lot of bodies. Ooh, oh God. Ooh, whoa. The doctor will see you now. Oh no. What are they doing to that guy? What the? Oh, Jesus. There's a giant. Oh, 83. Oh, Lord. Hula hula. Oh, my God.
Damn!
Holy hells. They just triple tapped us.
Now I'm done with you!
Oh, that's gross. What? Oh.
Everywhere!
Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, you got fluffy feet.
I do have fluffy feet!
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Fluffy feet!
They're awesome.
Thank you!
I want you to get this big and kiss!
That's the best!
Oh, my God.
This is Ruben the
Oh,
Smooth!
God. Wow. Lindsay! There's smoke out there. What happened? Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. What are they doing? Ah, no, you stay over there. Oh, Jesus. Oh, it's the creepy guy. Oh, God. Oh, God. I am now. I see you. Creepy. Whoa. Wow. Oh, what was that? What? Almost every nook and cranny in here moves.
Oh, no, you get in there.
There's somebody on both sides. That's got a big eyeball.
Please tell me it
Oh,
doesn't move.
please tell me that bushman is not real. Oh, my goodness. What is that? Holy cow. Oh, fudge. Oh. Jesus.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I can sew his head back on.
Yeah, it'll look great.
Come here!
I know.
Yeah, get on the table.
I think I'm good.
I'm hoping you pop.
No, that sounds
Watch your
horrible.
sleeve.
That sounds bad.
You want to watch you believe.
No.
Play with your brain.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Get on the table!
No.
Get on the table!
No.
Yeah, get on the table!
Oh my God.
Hi. Can we get by, please?
No. What's the password?
What's the password? The password is move.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
That worked. Oh. You got gross things in here.
Okay. Okay. Where'd he go? Okay. What the heck?
I don't know, Lindsay.
What is that?
It is so creepy.
Oh my God, no. Oh God, wait, did we have to go past it? Oh my God, no.
Oh, what in the hell
Where
is
are these
that?
people coming from?
What the fudge?
Oh God, what is that?
I don't know.
Don't get too close!
No
They're
kidding.
gonna get inside your head!
That's not good at all. Oh, that, oh. Holy no. That's a giant!
Yeah, you bit my doggy. His head fell off.
Does he bite?
Oh, you help victim.
You smell really bad.
Somebody said he was dead, but that's no good to you.
Oh God, no!
Not no good.
Oh, don't smell it! Don't smell it! It's in your butt. I think it's been in your butt. Okay.
Welcome to Average. Welcome, stay. Stay and be rewarded like I've been rewarded.
Look at this decor here.
That's my pumpkin!
Okay. I'm not.
God, you got two guys like a stuffed pig.
Oh no! You guys are.
You're touching my pumpkin!
We didn't touch your pumpkins. They're everywhere.
Oh my.
Yeah, you're pretty. That's a lot of heads.
Dinner time?
What in the world? He was lit.
Oh crap!
Phase two.
That way?
To phase 2.
Why? Because we can.
What?
Oh my God.
Tell me, Mama!
Oh, that's a doll, right?
Did you come to play with me?
No.
Yeah.
Look at my doll!
No, ma'am.
Look at my dolly!
Ma'am.
That's your dolly?
That's a big doll over there.
That's my mama right there!
Oh.
Mama says I can have all the dolls I want so long as I give her supper.
Oh, that's good,
Okay, that's
right?
a good deal.
My favorite, her name is Penny. I named her after my monthly allowance.
Hi, Penny.
Oh. Well. That is crazy as
Go back and join the family.
The Brotherhood, yeah.
Oh, that don't look good.
that don't look good at all.
Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that! Look at that! That's freaking creepy!
Oh! She's glowing. What the hell? Oh no! Whoa! Uh-oh. I think they mean business.
Joy.
Oh, thanks! Oh! What the freak was that?
What the?
Santa's definitely real. Ho, ho, ho! Oh, look at Cthulhu up there. Whoa!
Oh gosh.
Oh, are you okay? What is that?
The boogeyman!
Yeah, he's real.
He is real!
Yeah, he lives in your closet.
Coming for you! Oh, God.
Oh God.
Finish when you die.
Go down! He's on the ground! He's on the ground!
Creepy. Oh, ooh, there's 2 of them. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Don't eat it.
No. Alrighty then. You're very tall. Howdy. Howdy.
Abandoned ship! Abandoned ship!
Abandoned ship. Abandoned ship. What ship?
Can you help me? Can you take me with you, please? I'll be a good girl. I want to be my pants.
I think you will.
Please, please, help me.
Oh, my.
Help me, please. I don't want my pants no more. Please help me.
That's why they keep you in the bathtub, huh?
Oh.
Oh God.
Oh, Mr. Tickles. What'd he say? Ooh. Woo! No, that must be Slappy. Wait. Oh my, what is that?
Because.
That's what?
You already got one.
Get on the table.
You already got one.
I need a new one.
No. That was so much fun.
Well,
Thank
try.
you. How many times?
Oh my.
Oh gosh.
Oh God.
How many times? I think he has a chainsaw. Somebody put him back in there.
Holy crap, guys. I did not expect to see all that stuff in there. This is Ghoul Brothers up here in Akron, Ohio. Let us know what you thought. Now, they did tell us that this is so far planned to be the last year in this building. They don't have another place lined out just yet, so make sure you follow their page, give them all the support. They're gonna need it trying to put all this stuff in a new place. But we absolutely loved it. We will definitely be back wherever they pop up next. We know they're gonna be back. But while you're up here in the area, I've got a bunch more videos and haunts for you to check out. I've got one of them linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.